I will talk about some remedies which are number one remedies or hallmark remedies for negative self-talk. Number one remedy is laccaninum. Number two, aurum metallica. Number three, Barata carbonica. Number four, Ignatia umbra. Number five, Natrium muriaticum. Number six, Ethusa. These are few of the remedies who are very critical with themselves in the face of depression. तो जब आपके पास depression का patient आता है, make sure what does that patient talk to himself, because being self-critical is the hallmark of depression, number one. But what is a homeopath's role when he treats a person with depression? So we cannot give aurum to all the patients, we cannot give lac group for all our patients, we cannot give Barata cup for all our patients. Now let us see what is lac. Now lac remedies, maybe it lac can, lac ovis, lac caprinum. The theme of lac remedies is what? Number one is they are very self-critical with themselves. So you have a rubric in your materia medica: delusion, he is ugly, delusion, he is inferior, because lac remedies, they feel a lot of inferiority complex, right? Though they are very good, though they are very loving, they are very caring, they are very nurturing by nature, because what is lac? Lac is nothing but milk. What is milk? The function of milk in a person is to care. It's out of love. You know, when a child sucks a mother's nipples, there is a chemical reaction happening in the blood. It goes to the brain and the person secretes, and the female will secrete oxytocin, जिसको हम love hormone भी कहते हैं, and because of that milk secretion होता है, right? So lac is a remedy of love, care, affection, but वो self critical या वो depression में कैसे जाता है? So what happens, you know, lac people basically they are very much loving and caring, but they seek that as well. वो वही चीज़ सीख करते हैं. जैसे लैक कैनिनम है, वो बहुत लविंग है, बहुत केयरिंग है, बहुत अफेक्शनेट है, लाइक हाउ अ डॉग इज, बट दे ऑल्सो सीक, they want that love and affection to be reciprocated. So when this is not done, they become very much self-critical. They keep on telling themselves, शायद मुझ में ही कुछ कमी रह गई है, I'm not good enough. You know, I'm not able to please my master like lac can, right? Yeah, like defloritum. I want to give my best, but I'm not able to give my best. This is the feeling of like defloritum. So they feel that they are not giving their best. So the pathology of lac develops. Lac is a very deep remedy. Now aurum. Aurum is a remedy which is intellectually very strong but emotionally very weak. So what happens with aurum is, the aurum personality, whenever they face any problem, they are not able to overcome the situation, they self-criticize, thinking that, see, I'm so good, I'm so responsible person, how could I make this mistake? Aurum is a noble element, it's gold. It comes in the gold series. People who are in that gold series of periodic table, they are highly responsible people of our materia medica. They cannot expect any mistake from themselves. This is why aurum gets into depression. So what happens with aurum when he is in depression? He says, how can I make this mistake? I don't expect this mistake from me. I am such a responsible person. I have responsible towards society. I have responsible towards people. I have responsibility towards my family. But I am irresponsible. I have not done this thing properly. So the pathology of aurum develops. Now we have another remedy which is very interesting, is Ignatia. When she lands up into depression, whenever she is into love, she will be 100% love giver. But when she gets disappointed, she has a conflict into herself that whether my idealism, because Ignatia is very idealistic, whether my idealism is correct or the world is correct. So there's a conflict between her idealism and the world. And because of this conflict, she criticizes herself that no, I'm not good enough. I should have done this, I should have done that. Her whole load goes into emotional aspect. And then she can land up into depression. This is how she becomes self-critical. Right? So there are so many remedies in our Materia Medica for self-criticism. But we don't have to give remedy to self-criticism. We have to give remedy to the reaction of self-criticism. Every drug is unique. Every drug will respond in a different way to a criticism with himself. So this is in short about self-criticism and our Materia Medica drugs. Thank you. Be with me. This is Dr. Shelly. Take care.